video, we left you all on the Oregon coast. And this week, we pick up right where we left off, surrounded by inspiring people and creating memories that we will cherish forever. But our fun on the coast isn't over yet, so let's dive right in. We have somewhere we have to be. We are late! We are late, but we're gonna make it.
So excited to go see some gray whales up close on a boat. We saw them from the shore, now it's time to see them from the boat.
I'm so glad we're doing this. Alright, let's go.
It's time to see some whales.
Why does your face look so creepy? It's like you're dead.
Yeah, that's a super rare seal.
Oh, there's two of them. There's two seals.
I don't care about the whales. I just want the boat. It's fun.
We're on a boat!
Tossed by the jealous waves of the sea, I'm not as strong as I appear to be. Down by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in the darkest place. In my sorrow, dream of the sun. I just wanna be the shiny one. The water creeps where the creek don't rise. I'm the roughest stone that you'll ever find. Pick me up, throw me out, and walk away.
Oh, fun. I'm so glad we did this, and the whole group had a blast. It was 28 bucks per person, and I'd say that it was well worth it.
Yeah, well, we saw like half a dozen whales.
Yeah, we did. We saw about half a dozen whales.
Some are like 10 feet out, like you. No, really, like 20 feet
No,
out.
honestly, yeah, some are super close. I think I will place it right here, the one that I caught that waved us goodbye.
Ah, nice tail shot.
Thank you so much.
Betcha, you guys take care.
Okay. Captain was very informative, and I give him an A+.
This could be in a restaurant.
Yeah.
Easily.
Fully restaurant grade.
It's so good. Are you guys eating?
Yeah. I just want to make sure everyone eats first.
You are really adorable.
Reed,
You sure?
you should lead a group yoga for us.
Whoa.
Yes.
Everyone seemed to really like it.
Yeah,
It made me happy to feed all our friends.
I'm sure they did. I mean, every time you make it, I love it, so.
Yeah, vegan eggs
I wasn't
Benedict, by the
worried.
way. That's what I made, in
I
case
was-
you couldn't tell.
Now, I'm going to lead us in some group yoga, so.
Yay! Reed
gonna
used to
set
teach yoga for our friends.
We're gonna do a little slow flow with the intention around friendship and community. Everybody inhale nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Reach your hands out far. Do a back bend here. Cactus your arms. Put your chest up high. Deep exhale. Let it out through the mouth. For a half split. Dig your heel into the mat here. And imagine your chest trying to come forward to your thigh. And I want to round your spine here. I want to try to keep a nice straight spine. Namaste.
Agate Beach, here we come. Yeah. We got some surfers! Surf's up!
It was great. We just had so much fun. Oh, I gotta take this off, it's so tight.
So, did you stand up?
No, I didn't stand up at all. I got on my knees a couple times and I body surfed in. At the beginning I was just like smiling and stop cheesing.
I'm glad you got to do it.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Give me a hug.
No.
Give me a hug. We had a swell time out there.
What the? Time to leave the beach. Reed had so much fun surfing, and I got to hang out with Bella, run with her on the beach, and hang out with Maddie, who didn't surf either. So now we're going back and we're gonna make dinner. And as you know, your girl's hungry, so let's go eat. Hi, we last left you after we went surfing. And when I say we went surfing, I mean Reed, Tori, Sarah, Simone, Trent, and Michael. I did not go surfing. I am a weenie when it comes to cold, y'all. I hate the cold, and I keep telling myself that when we get to Baja, I will go surfing and I will learn how to surf. As of now, I'm not surfing out here. Everyone was exhausted after surfing. We had to wash off, get clean, and then that night after surfing, Bella, in the middle of the night, threw up all over our bed. And we slept the rest of the night with no comforter in like 50-degree weather. And like I said, I'm a weenie when it comes to cold, so you know your girl was not pleased. Bella is okay, just so everyone knows, she is a-okay. We think that she just ingested too much seawater and some sea kelp when we were on the beach. We are meeting up with Crystal, and Crystal's boyfriend Sean has returned, and they are reunited with their beautiful dog Nova. So we are all meeting at the beach. We are headed to Cape Kiwanda, which is supposed to be a really beautiful spot, and we're gonna drive onto the beach. Okay.
Going for it.
Hello.
That was pretty sweet. Wasn't too bad. It's our second time driving on the beach, and this is way less informal than Daytona Beach, so pretty cool.
It is cool.
Way less developed.
Our friends made a garden. Look at that, it's beautiful. And then per usual, Crystal has a whole aesthetic going.
As all.
And Michael's the one making this garden happen.
He had his chainsaw out earlier, going at this big piece of wood, and that's where all these scraps are from.
Of course he did.
A fire pit next to our little pond right here.
All in her mouth and she went.
Oh no. You're eating stuff?
I pulled it out. Sea life smells so strong. It's like a dog's worst enemy because they want to eat all the seaweed and like the crabs and whatever they find on the beach. It smells salty and stinky, just like every dog likes. Trying to get all the information from Bella.
I'm in my home on the beach right now. You can't tell, I'm really excited. And I'm with really great friends right now, people that I just feel happy to be around and that are just kind individuals. And I'm just excited and happy to be in this experience right here, right now. Thank you for listening to this little TED Talk and for hearing me out. I appreciate it. We're gonna hike the dunes! And I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more. Are y'all feeling the burn yet? Because I am. Let's go. We have a lot more to go. Look at that. That's Reed. That is Reed right now. Oh.
Look at this view.
Get up here.
It's amazing.
Run, 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 run.
Oh
Yeah, like 10 minutes.
my gosh. Woo. Woo. I can do it. I can do it.
Good job, buddy.
Yes. Unbelievable. We're here right now.
We did it.
Where's my battery?
Best view in Oregon.
Oh. Yes.
Denise is going all the way back up because we left our sandals up there. We were so excited to run down that we forgot them. So she was higher up than me, so we sent her up to go get them. She's struggling pretty hard. She's back! How tired are you?
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
You're just gonna keep going. Oh no.
R.I.P. Denise.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's
Go back. Now we gotta walk on the beach. Let's go on the hard compact sand.
carry me.
Carry you?
Yeah, you gotta carry me.
Alright, I got you. I should have went with you, my bad.
I've never seen a fire in a log that was put out in the second half. You have got to be the handiest person I've ever met.
Thank you.
Good night. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I hope that, you know, your morning is going smoothly. We are still on the beach. We ended up sleeping here last night and we just fell asleep to the sound of the waves, which was really peaceful. I requested that Reed make me a quesadilla this morning. I learned last night that he actually is a really good quesadilla maker, which I don't know if that's a real thing, but it's a thing now for him. How did I not know that you make the best quesadilla I've ever had?
Cheese and tortilla.
I don't know, somehow it was so good. This cheese, the Parmella Creamery plant-based Fiery Jack, is so good, and it's a really great cheese to put on top of a quesadilla. What is it made of?
Cashews and coconut oil.
Cashews, coconut oil, and then they put chili flakes in it. I think we're gonna head to Pelican Brewery, which is close by, but for now, we're just hanging out, enjoying this view right here. Look at that, it's fresh. We have to say goodbye to this beautiful spot because we are headed elsewhere. We are going to Pelican Brewery right now. We're just gonna hang out there for a little bit because they also have an outdoor shower that apparently is heated. We're not sure about that, but it possibly could be heated, and that potentiality is enough to keep us going. So we're gonna check it out right now.
We're about to take a group shower here on the side of the brewery. The water's actually pretty warm. We tested it out. Since Bella messed up our towels, this is what we have to dry off with.
Alright, yeah. Just keep going in and out. Soap up, switch. Soap up, switch.
Soap up, switch. Alright, get soap.
Oh yeah, this is great.
Yeah.
Water does. This is the warmest.
It feels so good.
This is the warmest shower I've had in months.
We're getting some weird stares, but it's okay.
I thought you looked at it
Real
like
life
that.
right now. Get low, get low, get low. To the window! To the wall. To the wall.
So the hot water goes down
My bra.
Thank you.
Thank you for my 2 little towels.
You're welcome.
That was so good. Yeah.
I do that all the time. I literally don't even know. Like, it's pretty great because then you don't have to let it dry.
That's true. I feel so good. Look who cleaned his beard.
I shaved blindly. How'd I do?
You actually did a really good job.
Yeah, I didn't look at my neck once. I just raked at it. I feel some stubs here, but does it look good?
Yeah, you did a good job.
Actually?
There's a few spots.
Because I've tried to shave blind before and it doesn't ever come out well.
There's a few spots, but overall, I'd give it a 7.5.
I'll have to clean it up later.
Yeah.
Oh well.
We're all rolling out. So let's go! Woo! So this is where we're gonna leave you. We are exhausted. Reed just powered through 4 hours, I think 4.5 hours of driving, and we've made it to Bend, Oregon once again. And we're going to our second van life meetup tomorrow. Actually, it starts. We're gonna see you on the next one. If you want to know how our second van life gathering goes, tune in next week. We'll see you there. Love y'all.
I had to do it, sorry. Hey!
Love it.
Hey! Nikki, nice to meet you.
The new meaning to fire crotch, right?
So tired.
You do something into someone's plumbing system in their house, and then like you have to
Stay. Oh, not a butt shot. Hey. Just had a swell of a time.